Welcome, Inner Voice family. I hope you're doing well. And yeah, for myself, I was a little bit sick the last few days. I am still sick, but I'm feeling better now. And yeah, today I want to talk about nature and why it's important to reconnect with nature and why the system doesn't want us to reconnect with nature. First things, first thing is our ancestors did a lot with nature. In the past, they knew what to do, how to treat symptoms, or not symptoms, sickness, the causes of sickness, and all those kind of things by knowing what kind of herbs or what kind of plants or fruits they had to eat or to ingest, and how they could use it to treat wounds or all those kind of things. And nowadays, we are so detached from nature that let's say let's say you are sick. Let's say, for example, take diabetes. Most people now go to take insulin for diabetes, but that only helps the symptoms and it doesn't help the root cause of the sickness. The funny thing is, all the things that we eat, those chemical sweetness, that are the things that actually give us those sugar spikes that the body can't handle, or how do you say it, digest in the body. But if you would eat, for example, sugar from fruits, those are natural sugars, and those kind of sugars is easier for the body to digest and to take in to the cells. And the funny thing is, most people now learn that if you have diabetes, that you shouldn't eat too much fruit. While the opposite is true, you shouldn't eat too much chemical sweets, chemical sugars. But that's one example, and there are more, many more. But that is what we have to find out for ourselves now. We have to study and research it for ourselves. But the funny thing is, me myself, I learned and studied a lot of it when I was sick, and I found out a lot about my body and about nature. And yeah, the other thing is, nature also helps with mental illness. And how does it help with mental illness? Well, I don't know if you guys sometimes are depressed, or how do you say, are down or in a bad mood. But if you ever went to the nature for a walk, most of the time people feel a lot better than before they went. And why is that? That is because they refresh their energy. The energy in nature is clean, it's good. But the energy in cities are all low vibration, negative. That is why we should go more in nature to refresh ourselves, refresh our mind. It's also relaxing, relaxing for your mind and your body. That's why we should learn ourselves, but also our children, to be more connected with nature. And the funny thing is also, I don't know if you guys know it, but there's a thing called grounding. What that means is, for example, you go with your bare feet, you walk on the grass, connect with earth, or you can hug a tree. I know many people will laugh about that, but you can hug a tree, or you can hug an animal, a wild animal. And what that does, it helps your body relax. It takes the bad energy and refreshes it with new energy. But also, uh, so I lost it a bit, but yeah, it will refresh your energy, and that helps you, yeah, go on with refreshed mind and body for another day. So yeah, I hope this video was informative and you learned something from it. Like, comment, and share so more people will learn about it. And yeah, keep in touch with nature. Comment, tell me your experience with nature, or if you learned something. And yeah, I will see you soon.